Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to report a channel on YouTube application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download open any browser you could be possibly using on your PC. So here for me I'm using Brave. Of course for you you could be using or any other browser. Go hit your browser, open it and open a new tab, then type here youtube.com. Of course hit the enter button, and let's say as an example, let's just scroll down. So let me just go here to the first left video. So let's say as an example, this is actually like a video violating the law of or the terms of YouTube, and they didn't even notice, or even you didn't like the video and you want to report to this channel. So all you need to do, just go to the video. If you click here at the right click of the video, here you will not find an option called report this video, right? So if you want to report a channel, not a video, as we said in the beginning, all you need to do, just go and scroll down a bit, and then you find here at 3 dots. Of course it will be on the right of clip, so just go hit that and you will find here an option called reports. Go and hit this option. Of course here you would like to choose any reason why you are reporting this channel. If you don't know what does something mean, just go here to the I don't know what does that that's the question mark. So go here to the question mark, and as you can see here they will give you a small explanation. So as you can see here, sexual content means content that includes graphic sexual activity, nudity, or other type of sexual contents. So of course if you didn't understand any of those, you can just go here and hover it, the question mark, and you will be actually to know what does this means. So all you need to do, just go choose your reason and then choose one. They will actually give you here some actual things to choose from. Of course choose whatever suits you and then click at next. So let me just go for me and click maybe at caption issues, like maybe are missing, next. And as you can see here they will actually deliver you into this. You would like to click at agree and type in your full name in the box below. This will act as your digital signature, then click at submit and you will be good to go. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.